Hi there, it's Michelle for today's Monday Moment. And today I want to talk about making decisions ahead of time. Now, this is a gift you can give yourself, especially through the holiday season with all the parties coming up and family gatherings. And so, what I want to talk about is, so often we go through life just living unconsciously. And today I'm going to use examples for both drinking less as well as I know some of my gals watching are looking to lose weight. So let's think about this. Remember that the goal is to be using our prefrontal cortex. And that's the planning part of our brain. So let's say you have a party coming up. And oftentimes we get there, we're like, I don't know what I'm going to drink. I'm not sure who's going to be there. I don't know what they're going to have for food. I wonder if they're going to have those cookies that I love so much. And so we have all of this internal chatter that goes on, which, by the way, kind of wastes some time. And once we get there, we're like, well, we'll see how it goes. And then usually what happens is that there's a net negative effect. So remember, all of this work that I talk about is if you are experiencing a net negative effect. And what that looks like is, let's say if you're over drinking, you're waking up foggy and regretful, or if you're overeating, you're like bloated and feel gross. If you don't have a net negative, live life however you want. But if there's a net negative, these are the tools that you can be implementing. So you have this party coming up. Now you decide in advance with your prefrontal cortex how much you're going to drink or what it is that you're going to eat, even if you don't know what they're having at the party. So it looks like this. I'm going to go to this party and I'm going to have 2 glasses of wine. That's it. You've decided ahead of time. Or I'm going to go to this party and only eat the vegetables or only have 1 cookie, whatever it is. Now, be careful because you know what's going to happen once you get there. That little toddler with the knife running around that looks so sweet, but ends up giving you that negative is going to be stepping in. And what I mean is your lower brain. It's going to be telling you, oh, come on, it's the holidays. You only live once. Everybody else is doing it. But remember, you made a decision ahead of time. And the most important part, and sometimes the most challenging, is honoring that decision. It's not always fun, but think about it like this. You have a commitment that you've decided to go to work every morning. May not be fun, may not want to do it, but you do. Implement that kind of mindset for yourself and honor commitments that you're making to yourself so that you have different results in your life and you create the life you imagine. All right, so this week, be more mindful. If you have any events coming up, deciding ahead of time how it is that you want to go into it, and then see how your results change. All right, that's it for this week. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.